If you missed Nick Romano in the main at Detroit, sadly, it's because just like almost everybody else, he has an injury and not a small one. Now, obviously, if you remember in Tampa, he said he dabbed his knee in the whoops in qualifying and made a decision to pull out of the rest of the day just to be safe. Well, as of now, we have an update from him after Detroit saying, quote, "Not much to say on Detroit's performance, although I gave it my absolute all. Update is I got results back after Tampa, and I did unfortunately blow out my knee. Gave it all the rest I could this week leading up to Detroit. I was no weight bearing until Friday. It was a very last minute decision to attempt to ride and to see if I could even race. Should I have been out there? Probably not, but racers race, and given any opportunity to go out there and race my dirt bike, I'll be there. Now, obviously, if you don't make a main, uh, it's not exactly the best thing in the world. You spend all the time going there and sucks. I mean, obviously, if you have a blown out knee, racing itself is going to be very hard. Ask multiple people this year. Uh, one of, I guess, well, him and McAdoo are trying to, I don't know, tough through it, manage some points, save something out of a season that's obviously not going well. But he does continue to say, quote, "It's not the way we want to start a season or not the spot I want to currently be in. Bums me the hell out after this offseason went amazing, and here we are again trying to just manage, but I'm proud of the teams and my effort and always will be. Week week off to rest thing up, and we will try again in Daytona. To my small group of people behind me, thank you for believing in me." Obviously, if you didn't make the main in Detroit, it's going to be a really hard one in Daytona, which is just a massive track. And if his knee is blown out, who knows what that actually means, what the ACL, MCL, whatever, probably all of it at this point with how this the injuries are going this year. Nothing is good. Nothing is happy or easy. Silver lining be damned, but sucks. I mean, I guess we're gonna see if he can make it in Daytona, but like I said, that's a very specific track. I mean, it's gonna be huge. It's gonna be long, and it's gonna be a lot of effort. So, knock on wood. Hopefully, he can make the main. Get some points, kind of salvage something out of this season, but it seems like every single day we've got another injury report, got another person hurt, and especially big ones like this, knees and legs, and not exactly a good year for injuries at all. Not that they're ever good, but I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me, what do you think of the year so far? Who's going to win the 250 East, 250 West, whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.